How to fix WhatsApp waiting for this message issue on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can resolve WhatsApp's waiting for this message issue on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the reason why this can occur is because your message might not have come through. So make sure that you have a good and stable internet connection. You can head over to your control panel, turn on your airplane mode and turn that off. And you can also try to reconnect to your internet connection. After you've done that, just head back over to your WhatsApp and check if the problem persists. If the problem is still there, head over to your settings of your WhatsApp, and after you're there, head over to Chats Backup. Head over to Chat Backup and make sure that your account is backed up. After you've done that, make sure that the backup process is complete. And yeah, after your backup process is complete, make sure that your iCloud does have space for the backup. If you do not have it, you can always buy and add new space to your iCloud. And after doing that, your problem should get fixed. If that does not fix your problem, head over to your app store and simply search for WhatsApp. So let's search for WhatsApp. And after you search for WhatsApp, make sure that it's completely updated to the latest version. If it's not, tap on the update button to update to the latest version. After doing that, the problem should get fixed. But if that does not fix it, the last thing that we can do is head over to the settings, head over to general, and head over to iPhone storage. And after you're on iPhone storage, simply search for WhatsApp. So after you find WhatsApp, offload the app and reinstall it. And with that, your problem should get fixed, guys. And that is basically all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.